Good morning, sir. I am Amit Agarwal from Technocraft, Delhi. Azaro is the brand name. Today I am going to show you the water saving permix. This is the regular water saving permix. This is a regular permix which we use at home. Now just see what I will do. I am just uninstalling this permix and I am removing the rubber washer. Be careful while removing the rubber washer. You need to take care of that. I'll just remove this plastic foam flow from the piece. Now I am going to put this water saving device or foam flow in the permix. After that I'll reinstall this rubber washer. Please make sure to reinstall the rubber washer, because if you don't reinstall the rubber washer, the piece will leak. Now I am just reinstalling it. Be careful while installing for the threading part. Here it goes. Now just see the magic, the water flow, the quantity of the water, just see. Now I think you can easily see the flow. It is the water is also the twisted flow. But I will give a close look. Just see the shape of the water. Look. This is a water saving device. This can be easily used in the schools, malls or any public utility place. This is the most practical and the convenient thing, and you can see. And whenever you want the normal flow, like you want, बस इतना ही ठीक है यार.